It should be flopping around.
I'm gonna get you a fucking bolt kit.
And it's 10 years
This thing's
newer.
hella clapped, yeah.
How many monies?
The Snap-on guy keeps talking
I'll
to
do
me about this
3,000 for
thing.
this.
1 year old and I'm already at like 90 hours. Fuck, we should have brought about 10 more beers.
I was literally just thinking we might just go to the general store and get beer and then head back. I have one more. You have two more. You have one more.
Wait, what are we getting into then?
I don't know. I mean, do we need more beer? Are we going to ride more? Because I'm not going to ride with one beer.
I say we fucking go hit some single track,
Get
have
some
another
footage,
beer,
have another beer, and then head back and get more beer.
and then yeah.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
I've never been back here, have you?
Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta watch down the top 40s with the chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Screaming loud, mind to get the cheese later. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Arm pump is real. All right. Arms are toast. Look the pussy. That knocked the shit out of my head. Ah!
Inches!
Should we get to some shade and then try to change our batteries?
Yeah, that's a good idea, dude.
Change our batteries, pound of beer.
into your hands and plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly I'm willing to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always want just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna win. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go lead? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till
Yeah.
Dude, I'm getting absolutely raped. Oh, I'm bleeding. I'm putting my fucking jersey back on.
Yeah,
man.
let's get into the shade.
Good looking out.
Yeah, you look like you're a fucking liberal or kind of fucking crazy. I don't know. Your shit's about to die too.
We got one in there somewhere.
You guys like the backpack? Links in description.
That's right.
Coors Light's in the description too.
Hey, give us a sponsor though.
Woo! Mountains are blue.
It just looks like a whole pack of like poison ivy.
Look at
It's
his
all
little
together.
curls in the front.
That's so cute. Fucking Magic Mike came out with it. Everybody's wondering what else he can do.
Full single too. Fix the hair real quick.
Single better than mingle.
What's up? Your boy's living like a monk out here, dog.
And watch lots of crotch. Buy a yacht with a flag saying chillin' the most. Then rock that bitch jumping down the coast. Wanna be
Which way are we going?
Hopefully we don't get copywritten for that.
Way, which way?
Somebody sounded just like this. Quick sandwich break.
They showed up with the hitters. What do you get? Some sort of burrito or something?
I had a quesadilla, man.
You
It's
got a
it's a
quesadilla?
wild animal.
Chocolate, a quesadilla, and a Bud Light.